It's getting dirty hiding. We've been doing this thing. It's getting pretty fun. It's a late night right now. You know, redoing bars and adding my minions. You know, fixing all the little stuff, getting the safety updated. Checking out my Hot Wheels. I still don't have enough wall for them. Well, we're getting updated. This is all the stuff for the how. This is only what we got left for the port city. Oop, tripping over. I got such a mess going on right now. But yeah, we getting stickers on it. Getting the interior redone. Matter of fact, don't mind my man cave mess. See if I can do this. Nope. There we go. Usually don't make long videos, but I'm tired. It's like, I think 2-something in the morning. I've been at this all night. Oh, that's good enough. So, it's hard to tell, but the dashboard looks all brand new. We got the bars looking good and new. Getting everything touched up and cleaned up. I'm gonna change a few things there. The seat's still out. Got some stuff taped off because we got some more stuff to do down below. Got my compass set so you know which way you're going. To be funny, I put these new driver stickers on. And definitely got the third support in the glass. And then we got to work on this one. My brother says he wants to drive it. However, his wife is scared of him driving it. So this is a Howley model. We need new glass. Cleaned up, obviously. But this is actually in pretty good shape. It just needs some loving, some sanding, some painting. Difference between the Port City is this is a wide 5, which I think are pretty cool. Yeah, gonna be pulling this seat out and redoing some more things, getting it done. But yeah, this car's pretty dope. Like I said, we're gonna do some blasting and painting, getting it all done, getting the race ready. Hopefully have a team on the track when it's time to do it. I hope everybody stays blessed. Everybody has fun. Oh, I did add something on the back. This is the Impala SS. The other one is the Monte Carlo SS. I forgot, went through some old pictures, figured it out. Protected by a bull. But no, these things are hilarious. But tell me what y'all think. I need some ideas on this white race car. I don't know what we're gonna paint it, man. Like, it's really ready to get stripped down, blasted, powder coated, painted whatever color we want. If you guys have any ideas, you know, go ahead and leave them in the comments. But that's where we're at. Thank you for watching. I hope you can tell your friends to like it and subscribe, and I'm going to bed. Y'all have a good night.